It's not what the country can do for you. It's what you can do for your country. It's what your brother can do for you. But it's what you can do for your brother. Many people tineka dependability syndrome katina go deep inside ourselves. That syndrome stopping us from being successful in life, Tukutadza kuendera mberi neupenyu, tutadza kuzvimirira, tutadza kuzviitira zvinhu, because we're depending on somebody to come and lift us up so that tisvike kwatoda kuenda. That's the biggest mistake. Cannot be one of them. Wait for other people to come push you to make things in life, who come push you to take a step to change your life. You don't need that. You need yourself. You need yourself to change. You need yourself to live up, to stand up, to rise and say, I'm tired of just sitting around. I'm tired of being kicked around by other people. I'm tired of being broke. I'm tired of having no money. I'm tired of everything. You gotta tell yourself that. You're gonna see your life changing. If you're tired for real, you're going to stand up and say, now I'm gonna make it. Whatever the situation that's in my life, I'm gonna change it today. I'm gonna make something good today. And if you do that, I'm telling you that you're going to be the best person and you're gonna be having the best life in your life, best life in everything that you do. So it's high time urambe zvimwe zvinhu muupenyu hwako, because not everything shapes you. Not everything gets you closer to your goals. Unofanira kutanga kuselecta kuti each and each does not help me to get where I want to go. Each and each chiri kuita ndi procrastinate. Each and each chiri kuita kuti ndinge ndiri slow to get to my results. So ndakutibvisa ndichikandira kure. This is what you have to do, You have to clean your life. Deep cleaning your life, Obvisa zvese zvinokutadzisa kuti usvike paunofanira kusvika. Because your life depends on it. If you don't do that, uchangogara uchingova victim of circumstances in life, Usina kana chaunobodisa. But only you can change the direction of your life. Only you can change it today. So if you gotta do it, you gotta do it.